I was really sad when I saw the first ore on the ground, burnt.
In 2020, one of our customers reported that after ABB installed switches, there was several incidents of birds being electrocuted in those switches.
So my name is Jozsef. I work mostly for the Hungarian electricity providers. So I have run this company for 20 years now. It's a small family business. We are specialized for medium voltage networks, especially switches. So we are close to Csorna, which is north part of Hungary. And as you can see, it's really lots of nature surrounded by, especially birds and natural parks located here. That's why we were asked to use special insulators in this certain switch. So I tried to find a company who has enough experience in this field, and I just Googled it and I found Midsun, and almost immediately I got a reply from Imad. So Imad was really kind and he offered great solutions for our problems.
We were able to solve that problem by supplying silicone termination covers and installing on the cable our insulation silicone sleeves.
And it turned out it is perfectly fit for those applications. So I should be happy, by the way, because we haven't seen any damages yet. And it's a good news because it means it works. So the products just do what it should.